Right now I'm dealing with SolidWorks Visualize. So right now I want to add decals on my model. So this is the car model. Just now I have gone through the appearances and all. I just downloaded the model from the internet from CrabCat, and I just tried to add the appearance, and I just made it these things. Now I want to add the decals on this car model. For that I'm going to browse the decals from scenes. So I'll try to from the cameras. No, from the appearance. Yes, new decal image. So just browse the location of it. So let me browse this logo. And now the appearances. I have the logo. Just drag and drop where I want to place it. So I just want to place it somewhere on this. Here now I want to rotate it in a proper way so that I can able to place it. So I will activate the preview mode so that I can work properly. Let me just let me place it in a proper way. So here I'm going to change the depth of it around it's 0.1, so I just want to make it 0.01. I need to increase it because point 0.9 if I make it. Yeah, it's somewhat proper now. So height and width you can able to use it, means can able to use these draggers, properly place it like this. And if you want to rotate it, you can able to use this rotation options in vertical, offset, teach and everything here. So advanced mapping controls, if you want, you can position it in a proper way, XYZ. So for me it's okay now, so I'll just click OK to see this. So this is the logo I have placed over there. Let me add one more logo somewhere on the back here. Let me place it here. So again I'll click on the appearance tab. From there I'm going to click on add decal, new, and image. I'm going to browse. For now I'm going to browse this SolidWorks. So let me go with this. Just add it here, drag and drop on the part here, and from here you can able to adjust the rotation like this, right? So if you want to move it, you can able to move it by using vertical and horizontal movements like this. So let me position the car model properly so that I can able to place it exactly in the middle like this. Decal height and width, okay, for me it's fine. So the depth I need to make it somewhat more so that it can pierce inside everywhere like this. You can see here. So depth is somewhat, if it is less, then whatever the penetration, whatever the punching of the decal will not take place properly. So let me make it 1.5 itself for now, right? So again, so one more decal I want to place it, so let me browse again. So I want to use this decal for now, so I'm going to place it on this face, somewhat down like this. So I want to increase the size somewhat like this. Yeah, the depth should be 1.5. So again that side also I'm going to do the same. Let me increase the size of this and place it exactly here like this. Yeah, this is about placing the decals in the model. So I need to make a copy of this, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. So now I can place it here. I hope everyone understood how to work with the decals. So let me activate the preview mode so that you can visualize it in a proper way. So I'll just activate this fast rendering mode so that you can visualize it in a proper manner like this. Here is one more decal I have placed. So this is all about working with decals. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.